Okay guys, looks like this thing is pretty much in there. I forgot to move that part there. Most of my glue is getting down low to the, bottom. I might have to do something about that. I can get some sprue here. I think I'll make some sprue glue. Sprue glue is good stuff. It sure supersedes filler. Well, I got the intake or the exhaust covers of the wing all assembled. So we got these right here. I believe these are for the rear of the exhaust, and they fit back here, just like this. But make quite certain it does fit just like that. Matter of fact, guys, it fits there. You got your turbines right here. These turbines go forward. That's the only way they'll go. And yep. Boy, this thing just feels. These kits are well engineered, I'll tell you that. Those turbines right there, they fit real good. Yep. There you go, fellas. That's the top wing right there. Get the undercarriage wells right in there. I surmise that they're white too, along with the overall paint schedule. This is going to be. This is going to look nice and spiffy, all white. Okay, guys. So far, step 33 is done, and we're going to flip a page. Okay guys, we got oodles of parts here. I'm going to make breakouts right here. I think these 73 I'm going to save last because they are some kind of a fairing. I don't know what they are. I think, yeah, they fit right inside the intake. Okay guys, I think I get a little tired right now. I'm trying to take my time on this build right here. I'm going to make breakouts of these parts after the video. And tomorrow I'll show I have another online video. This will be number 4. So I think it'd be a good idea if I just go ahead and make a daily video of this thing until we get up to the painting and the priming and painting. And that'll be 2 videos of itself to the final reveal. But I gotta break out these parts right here. They look like they're louvers that fit beside the air intakes. That's exactly what they are. Yep. That's them, all right. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and make breakout parts for that. And tomorrow we'll resume on assembly 34 up to 43. And oh yeah, we're going downhill now. Okay, guys, for this evening, we've got the top wing, we got the spars on, we got the intake fairings, exhaust fairings, or the intake fairing assembly itself, the backs of the intakes, which are the turbines, are viewed from inside. And I got every burnt aluminum inside there, guys. I should have painted that before I put it in there, but it's not going to be seen that much, but I will airbrush aluminum inside there. And I'll go ahead and mask this off, keep painting, get inside there. Beautiful plane, guys. I love this Vector. Okay, we're going to spin the can back yours truly and discuss what we'll be doing. Okay, guys, that does it for the evening. I know it's kind of a short video. I want to make this thing into 2 parts, so one part's good enough. So tomorrow will be video number 4 on the online build. And also there'll be a video tomorrow on the gorge porch, because I got the green drawing, let that dry over at that. I'm going to mask the greens off and go ahead and start airbrushing the white. The decks, everything all been primed already. And the Isabella, I gotta have a little thinking session on that, how I gotta get that deck on there. It's no big deal. I can use the original deck as a template, but I gotta cut it down a lot and make sure it fits inside the hull before it's planked off, because that deck's got to be on there before it's planked. Okay, guys, I'm out of here. We'll catch you on the next video for tomorrow. So stay tuned for online. Victor build number 4 coming your way tomorrow, and the gorge porch. And that'll be that. Frankie signing off. Make Mama happy and happy modeling. And please subscribe. Bye, fellas.